All right, let's take a little walk outside. Here we got the front porch, looking left, panning around. There's a snowmobile covered in snow. My front porch with the generator when the power goes out. All the snow was cleared out by my ATV plow and my snow blowers. Looking down the side, that's toward the back of the cabin. And we'll walk around, pan around this side here. That's the big Jeep, snowmobile, and out towards the road. And Jim came down yesterday, Winston's son, and helped me clear out some of this stuff. He piled up a bunch over here and helped me out big time clearing this main area. I've got a trail going back this way behind the garage with the snowblower. But there's my various toys, the garage, and then all of this area here out to the cut through, out to the road, I cleared with my plow after Jim got the bulk of it out. And then I moved my little Jeep over here, the black one. And then I plowed all of this out through here, all the way back out here to the edge of the drop off to the creek, because you have to pile all the snow as far as you can get it to begin with, because it'll just keep building up throughout the winter, so they say. So I've got it all pushed back. So pushed up a little there. We'll walk back out here to the road. All this stuff on the right of the Wrangler I pushed up yesterday. It's a big mound of it. And then I originally cleared out this, but Jim widened it a little bit for me. He was a lifesaver, because I had this whole area right here. I had a big pile off to the left there where you can see the pipe coming up from the well. I had a big pile there, and it was, with my legs and everything the way they are, it was tough. I was worried, but he saved me. That's going up towards the farm up that way. Already got a pretty good bank of snow going on out here on the road. Walk down here, and Jim also cut a little thing off the side of the road here to park a car if it really snows real bad. And that way I can get out easily. He pushed up the snow here in a pile. And then I cut down through here with one of my snow blowers to the front door from the mailbox. And you can see off to the right there in the woods. And then back over here to the left where the Jeep is and the whole kit and caboodle. There's probably about maybe 16 to 18 inches up on the roof. But Jim told me he's seen snow twice as thick as this on the roof of this place. So he said, I don't have to worry about the snow. He said, if it gets too bad, just get up there and push some of it off. So that's the Shay.